In a quiet waiting room, where the ticking clock seems to echo louder than the hum of faint conversations, sits a patient eagerly anticipating the latest medical breakthrough that could potentially alter the course of their life. This patient represents millions worldwide, hoping, waiting for a miracle that has been whispered about in the corridors of cutting-edge research facilities, the promise of transforming how we understand and treat diseases, all thanks to the magic of generative artificial intelligence. In the realm of biological sciences, the quest for innovation rarely results in sudden leaps. Typically, it involves gradual, painstaking progression. However, recent advancements have brought us to the cusp of a revolutionary age in medicine. Central to this evolution is a branch of technology that has learned to predict the ways proteins fold. This seemingly small detail is, in fact, monumental. The way a protein folds determines its function, and any misfolds can lead to diseases such as Alzheimer's or Parkinson's. Accurate prediction of these structures has been a long-standing challenge for scientists. That is until DeepMind, a subsidiary of Alphabet Inc., introduced AlphaFold. AlphaFold has leveraged deep learning techniques to predict protein structures with unprecedented accuracy. This complex process mimics the adaptability and precision of nature, learning the intricate dance of atoms and molecules within the vast universe of protein folding. Imagine AlphaFold as a maestro, leading an orchestra to play the symphony of life. By understanding the notes, or in this case, the folds, AlphaFold guides scientists in comprehending how proteins take shape, which is key to unlocking medical solutions. Beyond folding proteins, AI models are becoming adept at screening molecules. This capability accelerates the discovery of new drugs by allowing computers to sift through vast libraries of molecules, identifying which ones might become the next effective treatment. This is no small feat, reducing what could take years of laboratory testing into mere months. For the patient anxiously waiting in our introduction, this represents hope. A flicker turning into a flame that lights their path toward recovery. Yet, as we marvel at these achievements, it's essential to maintain a measured perspective. Fast forward to the near future, the year 2025, where these advancements promise to bring novel drugs to clinical trials more efficiently than ever before. This projection doesn't rest on speculative dreams, but on the very real, data-driven capabilities brought forth by AI technologies. However, it also demands a pause, a consideration of the responsibility lying in our hands. As with any powerful tool, the use of AI in drug discovery and protein modeling requires an ethical compass. It beckons us to ask, how do we ensure these tools are used not only to serve humanity, but to protect the intrinsic dignity of every individual they touch? Could they inadvertently widen the gap between those who have access to cutting-edge treatments and those who do not? These are the serious, sobering discussions that must accompany every stride in scientific advancement. In closing, the story of generative AI models in the fields of molecular research and healthcare is indeed transformative, but is only just beginning. As we stand at the threshold of a future teeming with potential, we must tread carefully, ensuring every innovation integrates with a vision that values human life over mere technological progress. Our mission is clear: to make sure the patient in the waiting room doesn't wait in vain, and that the solutions we pursue today lead to a healthier, more equitable world tomorrow. This is the promise of AI in medicine, a promise we must strive ever diligently to fulfill, grounded in careful consideration and boundless compassion.